The Seesii 16V impact driver kit is designed to be more compact and lightweight, making it ideal for working in tight spaces and reducing user fatigue. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor, this impact driver delivers up to 1,240 inch-pounds of maximum torque, ensuring efficient tightening and removal of screws. The kit includes two 2,000 milliampere-hour lithium-ion batteries, providing ample power for extended use and eliminating concerns about interruptions during your projects. Featuring a 1/4-inch all-metal hex chuck, it allows for quick and easy bit changes without the need for additional tools, enhancing its convenience and versatility. The set comes with 20 different sizes of impact bits and a handy carrying bag, offering a wide range of applications and easy portability. Seesii provides excellent after-sales service, ensuring that any concerns or questions are addressed promptly, giving you confidence in your purchase.